Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My name is Ghiorghiu, and in today's video, this is the part 1 series of the challenge that I'm doing. From zero, I'm taking the store from $0 to $100 a day with Google AdWords. So we'll be literally taking this store from $0 to $100 a day within within a week, hopefully. And so without further ado, let's get into it. In today's video, I'm going to start by showing you guys how to set up your conversion tracking for your Google AdWords, so you can go ahead and track each conversion that happens when you're advertising on Google. So basically, I've already actually set up the conversion tracking earlier today in the afternoon. I totally forgot to record this. I came up with this idea later, about a couple hours ago, but it was too late. So I'll still go ahead and show you guys how to set this up step by step. So all you have to do is just go to your Google Ads account. If you do not have Google Ads account yet, you can watch my last video where I'll show you guys how to set up and sign up for your own Google Ads account. We'll go to Tools and we'll go to Conversions, and we'll add right here the plus and the website. So here we can just type in whatever conversion name. I'm gonna do Shop Zella Purchase Conversions, and category is going to be purchase and sales. For the value, we always want to choose the second one, because I'm going to have multiple products with multiple different prices, which means if I choose the first one, it's going to use the same value for all of the conversions. So we don't want that. We need different value for each conversions. So for now, we're just going to leave it at $1, because we'll have to edit it because we want to have different values for each conversions, because it's not all of the products are going to be at the same price. So for the count, this is how many conversions to count per click. So which means you want to every means like if customer buys three quantities of the same products, it's gonna count all of the three. If you click on one and they buy 3 quantities of the same product, it's still gonna count as one. So we don't want that. We want each conversion to be counted, each quantity to be counted. And so for the conversion window, we're going to leave it at 30 days. And view through conversion window, it's going to be 1 day. Include conversion, yes. And for attribution model, it's going to be last click. So we're going to go ahead and create and continue. Here, to set up the tags, we're going to do manually, which means click on the first one, install the tag yourself. So here, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. As you can see, we're gonna have one event snippets and the global site tag. So basically, what you have to do is copy and paste both of these and combine it. And once you combine it, you have to delete the one in the middle. This is just the title for the conversion page. We don't want that. So once you combine these two snippets and the global site tag, all you have to do is just delete this one that I just highlighted in the middle. So we'll go to store. So now go to your store. For the at the settings, you go to checkout, and we're gonna scroll all the way down to the additional scripts that we're gonna see over here. As you can see, I've already set up combined the global site tag and the event script. I do not have to do that again, but in order to show you guys, I will do that. So before I do that, I'm going to have to copy this and explain you what this is. I'm just gonna copy it here. So how this works is that I'll go ahead and delete all of this just to show you guys once again. So first, we're gonna copy this global site tag, copy, paste, and then after the script, press enter, and then copy the script until this, the top script. So do not copy the one on top. Damn, what the hell? There you go. Copy that and then paste it. So boom. As you can see, for the value for this event value, we don't want to leave it at $1, because we don't want each conversion to be equal to $1. So we want the conversion to be left at whatever the price of the product is. So in order to do that, I'm going to delete this $1, and then just like I told you guys, this is something that we have to paste in the value instead of $1. So we can go ahead and convert. Track each conversion with a specific price. So this is basically it. All you do is now save, and now your tracking is set up. So most of the time it takes about 4 to 8 hours for your tracking to show up here. So let's just, before I talk about that, we're gonna click next and we're gonna click done. So boom. So as you can see at the bottom, you can see website purchaser for Shopzilla that I just set it up, purchase and sale. As you can see, it's unverified. It's gonna take a little bit of time to verify this. And for example, this is the one that I set up today earlier in the afternoon without, without recording to show you guys how to do it. And that's why it says no recent conversions, because this conversion action is actually verified, but there is no recent conversions as of any purchase or sales on the actual store, because I do not have any sales on that store. So this is as simple as it gets. All you have to do is just follow the directions and copy and paste that code and put it in the value. I'll go ahead and put that code in the description below so you guys can copy that code for yourself for your own global site tag and event script. So now I'll also show you guys how to set up your Facebook pixel. The reason I'm just going to show you guys, I'm not actually going to do any ads or tutorials on Facebook ads as of right now, because this is only a challenge for Google AdWords. But the reason why I'm mentioning the Facebook pixel, because you want to make sure when you're getting purchases, you want to make sure that you track it on Facebook pixel as well, because once we get enough sales, about maybe around 100 sales, we'll go over to Facebook and start making lookalike audiences with that data that we have with 100 sales, because it's going to be much easier for us, and again, we're going to have much higher chance to succeed on Facebook once we have the data, because we're already going to be ahead of the competition. So let's say if someone's store trying to sell the same product and they're starting to sell from zero, they have no data in their store on their pixel, it's going to be much harder for them to find that right audience, right? But when we have already some data from Google AdWords, it's going to be much easier for us to move on to Facebook ads and start making lookalike audiences, because lookalike audiences is the best audiences that you can do after you have a data from specific products and sales. So in order to set up your Facebook pixel, you go to preferences. I'm sorry about yelling all that shit in the background, but so here, Facebook pixel, we go to Facebook here. I'm gonna go to AdWords. Oops, I can't really show that to you guys. I'm gonna blur this out. We're gonna go to pixels. So here it is. We're going to add data source here. Once it loads up, I'm not sure why my internet is so slow today, but here we go. We're gonna add data source, Facebook pixel. Here we're gonna name Shopzilla pixel, and then www.shopzilla.com. Create. Again, sorry about the noise, background noise, it's annoying. Boom, now we have created the actual pixel on Facebook, and now we're going to use integrate and take whatever that's called, but I don't want to pronounce it. So we're going to click Shopify, and then it just shows you the steps how to go to the actual Facebook pixel to find the Facebook pixel. I'll just go ahead and show you guys. You don't have to watch all that, but I just showed you guys already. You go to online store preferences, and then scroll all the way down to Facebook pixel, and then you're gonna copy where's it at? You're gonna copy and paste the pixel ID right here. I copy that code, paste it, boom, we're gonna save it. So it's that easy to set up your pixel as well. So now we're gonna continue, and there's no activity, obviously. Shopzilla.com. It just wants we're gonna test to make sure that the pixel is working. It's gonna send traffic automatically, and then make sure that the pixel is connected to your actual Shopify store. So if there's a let's see, once pixel after you will understand how you add generate. Let's see what's going on. Here we go. It's active. As you can see, we sent the they sent the actual like visitor. I guess I'm just visitor myself. So, and they verified that it's connected to Shopify and it's now working. So we're gonna click continue, and boom, that's it. We're gonna close for now. And this is it's for Facebook. Don't worry about Facebook anything. We're only gonna set up the Facebook pixel by itself, so we can just start gathering the data, and that's it. And boom, so today, so as I showed you guys, go ahead and set up your own Google AdWords tracking, and also the pixel, so we can gather the data on Facebook as well. And this is the first this is it for the part 1 video of the challenge series from $0 to $100 a day. Tomorrow I'll make a video on how to do keyword research and set up the actual search campaign. If you guys have any questions, drop it in the comments below. Other than that, see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.